Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm about to show you how to get these door handles and stuff off, the window crank, the door handle off, so you can get your door panel off. This is a 1960? 65 122 Volvo. It has what they call an Omega clip ring in it. This is the proper tool for doing it. The clip ring is in between this plastic ring and the chrome on here. I stuck a bone tool in here and pried in there so I can look down in there and see the clip. Sometimes you can see them if you look down there far enough. When it pops loose, try not to lose it. Omega clip is called that because, of course, the Omega symbol, college people stuff. And the clip ring, when you slide this handle on, this grabs the teeth in there and that clip ring goes in that hole. So the clip ring is holding this handle against that stub in here like this. So what you want to do with the tool is you pry into here so you can see the clip. Now when the handle's pointing down, the round part of the clip is like this. Okay, so what you want to do with the tool is you want to get the tool slid in between this plastic and the metal, and you want to grab the tip of the clip that's in there like this and pry the clip back, and as you pry it back, it'll pop off. Now you want something under it so it don't disappear. Just now when it popped off, it hit the door, fell on the floor. Then after you get the clip out, after you get the clip to pop out, the handle, the spacer, and the spring will push off the door. That stuff's easy to find, but that clip is not. Now this side of this tool will push that on. Now sometimes if you have a pointy tip like this, you can actually put the clip in place and just push it on the door and it'll clip around that post. So there you go. It's like that. It's pretty much in place. Can't see it there. Let me turn the light on. You see it in there. You can push this on there and it'll probably lock in place just like that. So now I'll use this to get that back off. But hope that helps. If you got any questions, let me know. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.